Meet Ring Alarm Pro, a first-of-its-kind security system that helps protect your home and your network. With a secure Eero Wi-Fi 6 router built into one of the easiest alarm systems on the planet, it's the future of home security.
The future? I try not to think about that.
Clearly. Ring Alarm Pro is the first device ever to combine the peace of mind of home security and a Wi-Fi 6 router with awesome network security for a consistently strong signal across your home. So whether it's intruders, fires, floods, digital threats,
or how about just some better Wi-Fi around here?
Yeah, that too. Ring Alarm Pro makes it simple. When was the last time you upgraded your Wi-Fi?
A few years ago.
Ring Alarm Pro's Wi-Fi 6 network supports fast speeds to more devices across your home. So all of your devices connect better than ever. And you can browse, stream, and video chat like never before, all on an Eero Wi-Fi 6 network designed to protect you from digital threats and protect your privacy.
Okay, but what happens when the internet goes down?
No internet? No problem. With a Ring Protect Pro subscription, you'll have LTE backup to keep you and your Ring devices online and ready to protect. Add a Ring Power Pack and you're covered even when the power goes out. The Ring Protect Pro subscription adds another layer of protection, all backed by
24/7.
Yeah.
And award-winning.
Professional monitoring. You're fast.
It's why we're here.
It's easy to install and connects to all of your Ring devices, like Ring cameras and Ring doorbells. Even Alexa.
Alexa, arm Ring away.
Ring is armed in away mode.
Ring Alarm Pro, the home protecting, Wi-Fi blanketing, digital threat fighting, peace of mind giving, always on, always ready, future of home protection.
Welcome to SimpliSafe.
SimpliSafe protects your home with multiple layers of defense. Outside, cameras keep constant watch over your property, and our yard sign wards off would-be intruders. Entry sensors and smart locks are your next level of security. They guard your windows and doors. Then, inside your home, motion and glass break sensors provide even more protection. So the only people who get in your house are the people you want in your house. And it's all backed by our professional monitoring, a team of highly trained individuals who are ready to dispatch emergency responders anytime, day or night. Here's how it works. When your system is armed for home, it activates all your windows and door sensors, but keeps your motion sensors off so you can move about your house freely. When your system is armed for away, it activates your motion sensors inside your home for additional protection. In either mode, if someone does try to break in, a sensor will be tripped, which sounds the system's powerful alarm while simultaneously alerting our monitoring center. You'll immediately receive a call, and unless you provide your safe word, like this for example, police will be on their way pronto. The SimpliSafe system comes with 2 additional safeguards: a silent panic button, perfect for small businesses, and a duress pin, a code you can enter if someone is forcing you to disarm your system that secretly alerts us to send help. Every component of a SimpliSafe system is engineered with cutting-edge technology to deliver the very best whole home protection. Oh, and by the way, it's all really simple to use.
SimpliSafe on.
This is Jason.
What's up?
Jason's not your regular guy. He's a 9-to-5 data quality assurance specialist, but he doesn't like to brag about his accomplishments. Jason's got a lot going for him. He's got beautiful kids and family, a car, power tools. He's got a vintage collection of original Spider-Man comic books. These things mean something to Jason, so he protects them with a Wise home monitoring system. He puts the Wise contact sensors on doors and windows, so he knows when they open and close. Wise motion sensors detect unexpected movement. He's got a few extra cameras to keep an eye on things. Now Jason can see anything.
I can see everything.
When the family is out for the day, he arms his system. When he sleeps at night, he arms the outside. If someone breaks in, it sounds the alarm and sends Jason a notification. If you don't respond or don't know who has entered the house, the agent sends the police. His family is safe. His car is safe. His collection is safe. Jason gets all this for $5 a month. No long-term contracts, no sales guys, just straightforward, simple, and reliable home security for everyone. There's no more excuses not to have a security system. $5 per month from Wise.
At Ring, we're changing the way we look at home security. From video doorbells that see when anyone steps on your property, security cameras with lights, alarms, and motion sensors, to connected lights that create a ring of security around your home. A traditional alarm system that's anything but traditional. With intelligent sensors throughout the home, connected to cameras inside and out. Professional monitoring and 911 response. This is home security like never before. Ring is a whole new way of protecting your home and property. Ring Neighborhoods takes security beyond the home and connects you to what's going on in your neighborhood. A new neighborhood watch for the digital age. Layering smart, proactive security throughout your home and around your neighborhood. Welcome to the next generation of home security. Here's a look at Ring Home Security in 2018. Home security begins at the front door with the Ring Video Doorbell. With options to fit every home, Ring Video Doorbell is the best and first choice in smart home security. Shine a light on your home security with Ring Spotlight Cam and Floodlight Cam. Bright lights and a powerful siren alarm put security in your hands. With ultra-bright LEDs, night vision, and motion alerts, Ring puts total home protection in every corner of your property. Ring Beams adds powerful, wire-free lighting to your home. A motion-activated network of lights that talk to each other. The first of its kind. Smart lighting that connects to your other Ring devices to enhance your ring of security. Ring Alarm is the next generation of home security. A state-of-the-art security system that you can install yourself. Smart home protection that's customizable to fit your home. Peace of mind and whole home security at your fingertips. The new Stick-Up Cam is simple to install and works both inside and outside the home, so you'll always know what's going on. Battery and wired options make Stick-Up Cam both smart and versatile. Ring Neighborhoods lets you connect and share information quickly with your neighbors, keeping you one step ahead of suspicious activity. Now, when something happens, you can stay informed with alerts from your community. Like a new neighborhood watch, so we can work together to create safer neighborhoods for all. This is home security like never before. This is Ring.
At Frontpoint, we believe smart home security should have it all. Nothing like that existed, so we built a system that does. Introducing the all-new Frontpoint security system, the new standard in home security and automation. Get a system that's simple enough to set up yourself, safe enough to keep working even if an intruder destroys your system.
Alexa, tell Frontpoint to arm my security system.
And smart enough to know if something happens out of the ordinary. Your system is guaranteed to last. Visit frontpoint.com and try it risk-free for 30 days. Plus, our highly customizable app lets you check in on pets.
Hey, Ollie. You been a good boy?
And control all your compatible devices with a single tap. Frontpoint Smart Home Security. What others do, we do. Safer, smarter, simpler.